You're gonna love the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Enjoy a new level of comfort and convenience on all your family outings in this spacious Palisade. Crossover versatility, flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, silky V6 power, and 3-row seating make this SUV an unbeatable value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Enjoy the confidence that comes with being prepared for adventure in this well-equipped Palisade. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.